This weekend, a strong cold front passed the country, leaving icy cold conditions on Monday morning over the central interior, where minimum temperatures dropped close to -10 degrees Celsius over parts of the Free State. This Tuesday morning, we're expecting another frosty morning, so here's your forecast. Overnight into Tuesday morning, we have the next cold front sliding over the southern parts of the country, only bringing isolated showers in the morning for the Western Cape, but then another freezing cold morning over the central parts of the country with widespread frost yet again possible. Into the evening, the rainy conditions clearing but partly cloudy skies over the central interior. We can see the early morning showers in parts of the Western Cape along the southern coast and the adjacent interior, then a chance of drizzle around the escarpment and in the low veld of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, as well as over the northeastern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. A very poor PV harvest over the southern and eastern parts of the country, where we are expecting cloudy conditions this Tuesday, later an average to poor PV harvest over the central interior due to the partly cloudy skies. Southeasterly winds blowing around the city of Cape Town this Tuesday, then westerly to southwesterly winds picking up and blowing fresh to strong along the southern and eastern coast. The Weather Service is warning against damaging winds and waves between Cape Agulhas and Port Alfred, so please be careful. Windy conditions expected over the half veld, and then southeasterly to southerly winds picking up and blowing fresh to strong along the western coast and the coast of our neighbouring country Namibia, and southwesterly winds later blowing along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. But in the Western Cape, we are expecting cold conditions on Tuesday morning, minimum temperatures only around 5 degrees Celsius over the interior, with those isolated morning showers clearing into the afternoon, but remaining quite cold, maximum temperatures only around 15 degrees Celsius. Westerly to southwesterly winds picking up and blowing fresh to strong along the southern coast, where we have those warnings in place for damaging winds and waves, so please be careful. A freezing cold morning over parts of the Karoo as well as the northern parts of the Eastern Cape, -6 the morning in Aliwal North, with widespread frost possible over the northern areas. Later windy conditions picking up along the eastern coast, where temperatures will stay below 20 degrees Celsius. A cold morning over the interior of KwaZulu-Natal, later partly cloudy skies over the northern and eastern areas, windy conditions into the evening along the coast, but temperatures still reaching 20 degrees Celsius. A cold morning over the half veld, -2 in Standerton with light frost in places, later remaining cool but windy conditions picking up into the afternoon. Foggy conditions around the escarpment and in the low veld, but remaining comfortable in the low veld of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Temperatures there in the mid-20s but partly cloudy skies and a chance of a quick drizzle. Cold at first in the bushveld, later temperatures reaching the mid-20s with 25 in Tabazimbi. In northwest, another freezing cold morning, especially over the southern parts, where temperatures will drop below 0 degrees Celsius. Frost is also possible in these areas. Later windy conditions over the southeastern areas and partly cloudy skies into the afternoon, but temperatures still above 20 degrees Celsius. Another freezing cold morning over the southern and eastern parts of the Northern Cape, with widespread frost yet again possible. -2 the morning in Carnarvon, De Aar and Prieska, later remaining cold over the southern areas, maximum temperatures staying below 15 degrees Celsius. Another very cold morning in the Free State, -6 in Bloemfontein and Bethlehem, with widespread frost possible. Later partly cloudy skies over the central and northern areas, but remaining cold, only 18 in Bloemfontein. After a cold morning over the southern parts of Gauteng, we are expecting windy conditions into the afternoon, 20 the afternoon in Johannesburg, 21 in Pretoria. Then finally on Wednesday, we are expecting the sunny skies to return to the southwestern parts of the country, remaining cold in those areas, also much cooler now over the eastern areas, only 16 the afternoon in Mbombela, and isolated showers and thunderstorms later moving over parts of northwest, the Free State, as well as over the half veld. Then on Thursday, remaining sunny over the southwestern parts of the country, temperatures finally reaching 20 degrees Celsius in some areas, but a cut of low pressure system developing over the western interior, bringing scattered showers and thunderstorms over the central parts of the country. This includes parts of northwest, the Northern Cape, the Free State, as well as the Eastern Cape, so please be careful. Partly cloudy skies over the eastern areas with only 18 in the afternoon in Pretoria. Well, that's all from me. Stay safe this Tuesday, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.